Look at this tiny bird. Did you know that budgies or parakeets can learn to talk just like humans? These little guys are not only adorable, but also incredibly clever. Budgies are one of the most popular pet birds worldwide, and it's easy to see why. These colorful, lively creatures are super playful and social. Budgies love to interact with their owners and can learn to mimic words and phrases with some practice. They come in an array of bright colors like blue, green, yellow, and even white. Despite their small size, they have huge personalities and love to sing, chirp, and play. They're also very active and enjoy swinging on toys, making them fun to watch. Falling in love with these chatty little birds? Like this video, follow for more fun facts and tag a friend who'd love to own a budgie.